How to make any woman interested. Number one, treat her with enough respect. Now, you guys, my guys, the first thing that every man should always do if he really want to make a woman to be interested in him and fall in love with him is to treat her with respect. Why? Because many women will always choose the man that treats them with respect. So in everything that you do, in all of your actions, make sure that you show her enough respect, because this will really make her to fall in love with you more and be interested in you. And guys, my guys, be the type of a man that she can call in the middle of the night when she is having problems, because if a woman notices that you always have her back, she will be interested in you. So make sure you everything that you do, you respect her, and this is the first thing that you need to do if you really want to make a woman to fall in love with you and be interested in you even more. You should treat her with respect. Number two, tell her how you feel. Now, you guys, my guys, this is the second thing that a man should always do if you really want to make a woman to be interested in you. You should open your heart. Tell her how you feel, because this is the perfect way to know if she is interested in you too or she is not interested in you. And guys, my guys, many men are always afraid to open up to a woman because of the fear of rejection. And how will you know if she is interested in you? Just open up to her. Let her tell you how she feels. If she doesn't feel the same as you do, you should just move on with your life. And if she is interested in you too, you guys should be a thing. Letting her know how you feel is another form of confidence, because women love confident men. So if you are really confident enough to, face her and tell her how you feel about her, that you are interested in her, this will really make her interested in you, because you are a real man. You are confident enough to face your fears and reach her out and tell her how you feel. This is another thing that you need to do if you really want a woman to be interested in you. Open up to her and tell her how you feel about her. Number three, pay attention to small details. Now, you guys, my guys, this is another thing that women love, and she will be interested if you are a great listener. You guys, my guys, women love great listeners. If you are a great listener, she will be interested in you. So every time she talks to you, make sure you give that time to her. Make sure you give her all your ears. Make sure you pay attention to these small details, because she might be testing you and she might ask you what she just told you. And if it happened that you are forgetful, she will know that you don't care about the things that she says. So make sure you pay close attention to what she says, because women are great listeners. So it will be of great pleasure to her if you reciprocate listening to her. So guys, my guys, make sure you pay close attention to your woman, because women are so great listeners, and they love men who can understand them and listen to them. So the thing that you need to do to keep her interested in you is to pay close attention to the small details, because women will always choose the men that listen to them, and this will really make her to be interested in you, because you remember everything that she says. Number four, be genuine all the time. You guys, my guys, another thing you need to do if you really want a woman to be interested in you is to show her how genuine you are, because women love genuine men. So if you are really open to her, you are genuine to her, she will be interested in you. And don't try to be someone that you are not just to impress her, because this will really make her uncomfortable when she know the real you. So make sure you are real. Make sure you try as much as possible to show her that real side of you. You should not fake things just to impress her, because if she finds out, she will dump you real fast and move on with her life. So guys, my guys, men, try to be real. Show her how genuine you are, just to keep her interested in you. If you are open, if you are sincere to her, she will be interested in you. Number five, care about her. You guys, my guys, this is the big thing that you always should do if you really want to make a woman to be interested in you. Make sure you care about her, because caring about her is the most important part, because she will realize that you are always there for her, you care about her, you value her, and you cherish her in the relationship. So caring plays an essential role in a relationship because it makes a partner feel so secure. Putting in the effort and trying to show her that you care for her will really make her feel like you value her in the relationship. And this is the most important part of it. Care about her, care about her feelings, care about what she thinks and what she wants. Just be there for her, because this will really make her to see the person that you really are. This will really make her feel like you worth her. So guys, my guys, if you really want to make a woman to be interested in you and fall in love with you, is to care about her. Care about everything about her. Number 6, communication. You guys, my guys, communication plays a big role in a relationship because it always make partners to feel connected. It always make partners to deepen their bond in the relationship. So in everything that you do, if you really want to make a woman to be interested in you, make sure you call her, make sure you try to reach her out, make sure you try to keep a flowing conversation with her, because if she really notices that you are putting in the effort of communicating with her, trying to always keep her in touch, she will feel like you are always trying your best to communicate with her and make her feel loved in the relationship. And this is what women want. They want updates, they want to be updated. So make sure you communicate with her. You can call her or text her via SMS. Just know how a day is, just know what she is doing, and this will really make her feel loved in the relationship. So guys, my guys, another thing you need to do if you really want to make your woman to be interested in you even more is to communicate with her. Communicate with her. Don't be egocentric, because this will just push her away. She will feel like you don't care about her, you don't value her in the relationship, and she will find another person who can communicate with her and give her all these values just to make her interested. So guys, my guys, don't lose a chance because of being egocentric. Call your woman, text your woman, FaceTime your woman, know how she is doing. Communication is a very, very huge thing in a relationship. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you come back for more relatable content, and see you next time in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel. See you next time.